Shoot this fake gun. Jeez.
Did you hit? Oh god, it put a hole through it.
Oh. Jeez. Oh. Holy crap. Stand back.
Ah! What? What'd you hit? Oh, there, it put a hole. Oh my god. Holy crap.
Shoot the trigger.
Did he hit it? Yeah. No, I don't know.
I don't think so. I shouldn't reuse these BBs, but I'm going to.
Shoot the hand grip.
What?
It put a hole there. Ooh, that back.
Okay, I think we're done.